Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tatiana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. So today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of a subscription box that I am now subscribed to. It is called the SipsBy tea box. And so it comes with 4 teas per month. And yeah. So with this box, it's $15 a month. You take an extensive tea profile or tea quiz that lets them know like some of the things that you like or don't like or maybe like. So for example, I don't like nutty flavors. So I did let them know that like I wouldn't be okay with ever receiving that kind of tea. And so so far, this is my second month. I did do an unboxing last month. I just never posted it. So this is my second month. So this should be my March box. My April box. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Yes, and I did spray down my box before I brought it into the home and touched it. So it has been sprayed down. So it's virus free for sure. All right, so when you open it, it comes like this cute little box. Then they have your April teas, and this has a little thing on it, and has like information on all the teas on the back. All right, okay, so I'm getting some good tea this month. All right, and so then when you get into it, the teas are just kind of placed in there. And I am seeing that they come with this reusable muslin bag, which is what this is. Then inside of the bag, it has disposable tea bags. So I haven't used the reusable muslin bag yet, but I feel like this would be good for loose leaf, especially if it has like really tiny particles or whatever. Same with the disposable. I used all my old other disposables from my first box. All right, so we're just gonna jump into the first tea. And the first one that I see is this black currant burst. I don't know what a currant is. I've never had one before. So I got 4 packs of these. So they probably are, well, they're not probably, they are clearly gonna be bagged. So these aren't loose leaf. So it says a blend of quality black teas simply bursting with fresh taste of black currants. Let the sweet taste and rich aroma take you back to fondly remembered summer picnics. So this is what the tea bags look like. This one is a high caffeine tea, so I'm pretty excited about that one. And on this little card, it also tells you information on how to brew the teas. And it also gives you a 20% off discount. So that's really good. And this one says that you can enjoy hot or iced with lemon. So I'm pretty excited to try this one both ways. The next one in here, I just see one of these. So I'm assuming this is just some loose tea. Yeah, is loose. So this one is the blueberry basil. Okay, basil. Hopefully basil doesn't have a strong taste. That's what I'm worried about. I like blueberry tea. I've had 2 blueberry teas, and so far I love both of them, but the basil was kind of throwing me. So this one says it is a green rooibos. Wait, this is caffeine free. It's green rooibos. It's high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This unique handcrafted blend is fruity with a hint of savory from the basil. It says delicious hot or iced. So that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try this one out one day pretty soon. Well, not one day, pretty soon. I'm gonna have to try this one because that basil is what's like kind of like, huh. So you can cold brew this one. Okay. And you steep 4 tablespoons for every 4 ounces of water for 5 minutes. So a tablespoon per ounce. Oh, okay. Steep 4 tablespoons for every 4 ounces of water for 5 minutes. 195 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you pour over ice. Okay, so that's how you make it for cold. Okay. Oh, because it's a green tea, it doesn't go to full boiling. All right. So the next one that we have here is another loose one. Ooh, this sounds yummy. So this one is bare leaves. Okay, so it's actually the organic Negrili black tea from Bare Leaves. This one was from Wright's Tea Company. I am all over the place. And then this one, the black currant, was from Ahmad Tea. So, yeah. All right, so back to the Bare Leaves organic Nilgiri black tea. I don't know. I'll put it on here somewhere. So this looks like it's just a plain black tea, which I'm super excited for because I love plain black tea. So this is a high caffeine. This bright and fragrant tea comes from the South Indian mountainous region of Nilgiri. I don't know how to say it. Oh my God, which translates to Blue Mountains. This one, of course, has all of them has a 20% off code. Oh, this one actually gives you instructions that says you can steep twice. Okay, so yeah, re-steep 2 times. Okay, none of the other ones say that, so that's cool. So I'm definitely gonna get a few cups out of this because you only use 1 tablespoon per 8 ounces, and this is, you know, I don't know how many ounces this is, but that's gonna be fun. All right, and then here we have the Miracle Tree. That's the brand, and this is the super caffeinated moringa infusion green tea lemon / ginger. Ooh, okay. So I have 4 of these. Excuse my bad nails, but 4 of these. And what this one says is this moringa energy infusion contains 155 milligrams of organic caffeine tea extract, making it the perfect coffee replacement, providing an energy boost without jitters or crash. Okay, I haven't had coffee in about a week and a half. Maybe 2 weeks. It's been a while. Excuse me. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm actually gonna try this going to work tomorrow to see what it's like. It has ginger in it. I hate ginger, but I love ginger ale, but that doesn't actually have ginger in it. So, all right, and then that's all the teas that we received. This is the first time I got something in the bottom of it. Huh. So they gave me a little card from Ahmad Tea. Okay, so I guess they sent that with the Ahmad Tea. And then this one is for the organic moringa tea. It's just showing the difference of coffee and this tea. So apparently with coffee, you go up really fast and then you crash. With this one, you go up and then you just kind of stay energized and lower down slowly. Sorry if this video wasn't interesting to you, but it was interesting to me and I felt like filming it. So yeah. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try one of the teas. I haven't decided. I think I'm gonna try that blueberry basil on camera because that's the one that I'm like the most like, you could tell by my reaction. I was just like, I don't know about that. So, and plus I'm gonna be trying it tonight and I don't need any caffeine, and that's the one that's caffeine free. All right, so as you can tell, it is a totally different day. The day that I was going to try the tea, or that night, I ended up doing something else. So I ended up like forgetting and not recording anything. So yeah, so we're just gonna try a different tea than what I said, because I said I was gonna try the blueberry basil because it had no caffeine. I'm actually gonna try the one that I can't pronounce. So the Nilgiri black tea. So that's the like Indian one that you can re-steep like up to 2 times. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try that one because I need caffeine. I was going to try the other one because it didn't have caffeine and it was like nighttime, so I was like going to bed, but no, I need caffeine. So I'm just waiting for the timer to finish. yeah. Okay, there's the timer. Alexa, stop the timer. I used the one of the reusable tea bags because it is a loose leaf, and so I'm just gonna sit that in there. So of course it's hot. I need the handle to be in this hand. All right. So just gonna stir it up. I already put sugar and stuff in it. It's pretty light color for a black tea, so I feel like I should steep it longer. But I'm gonna try it at the recommended steep time. But I'm just used to my black teas being a lot darker. Well, I guess it's a little darker. It's just when I take it out. Okay, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and try it. Oh yeah, that's good. So this is a classic black tea. However, it tastes a lot better than like Lipton's black tea. So I drink Lipton's black tea for like iced tea and stuff. But this is like slightly elevated. Like it's more sophisticated. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like this. All right, so that, hold on, I need one more sip. Yeah. Okay, so this is my April SipsBy box. Again, this subscription is $15 a month, plus the taxes, but it's free shipping. You receive 4 teas. You do take an extensive tea profile or a tea quiz to build you a tea profile. And then they kind of curate the box towards you. So I really like this one so far. So this is only my second month. I didn't unbox the first month on the channel just because I never just uploaded it. But it's already April, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the April one. So anyways, yep, this has been my SipsBy unboxing, and sorry about my hair, it's kind of messy. But I hope to see you guys in the next video.